So the Galaxy S10 Plus is gonna check every single spec that could bring a very proper change to this iteration. We just saw an official spec sheet yesterday that leaves nothing to imagination, and now it's time to look at the S10 Plus in all its glory. Mobile phone, a very popular accessory supplier, and when it comes to leaks, a very reliable source has managed to get the hands-on experience of Galaxy S10 Plus that they find necessary to share on internet, and here we have it. The S10 Plus with minimal bezel view, a pill-shaped hole in display tag, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. There were a lot of rumors regarding this tag that it doesn't work through a screen protector, and this video again followed this information. As you can see, the screen protector applied on this particular smartphone has a hole in it which is to not cover the display tag. Firstly, it appears like a very ugly implementation just because of those holes, and yeah, the viewing experience is not up to the mark because of the same thing. The presence of this hole generates a lot of rumors again, and now some people have started believing that the ultrasonic tag on Galaxy S10 doesn't operate through a screen protector. I cannot confirm right now if that is the case, and if you ask some of the very reliable leakers like Max, the Galaxy S10 will come pre-installed with a screen protector that will allow you to use the fingerprint scanner. Additionally, the device comes with Gorilla Glass 6 protection, so you'll not have to worry about these scratches or drops. I do know that screen protectors needs to be changed after some good time, but let's see if Samsung has a solution for that. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.